Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make oat drink. First, you'll need 1 cup of rolled oats and 4 cups of cold water. For flavor, add a small pinch of salt. If you prefer a sweeter drink, consider including 1 or 2 tablespoons of maple syrup or another sweetener of your choice. Having all your ingredients measured and ready before you start blending will make the process much smoother and more efficient. Now, combine your 1 cup of rolled oats, 4 cups of cold water, and the pinch of salt into a high-speed blender. It's very important to blend for only 30 to 45 seconds. Blending for too long will activate the starches in the oats, resulting in a slimy texture that isn't very pleasant to drink. A quick blend ensures a creamy, smooth consistency without any sliminess. After blending, pour the mixture through a nut milk bag or a very fine mesh sieve into a large bowl. Gently squeeze the bag to extract all the liquid, leaving behind the oat pulp. You can discard this pulp or use it in other recipes. Transfer your freshly made oat drink into an airtight container, like a glass jar, and store it in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh for up to 5 days. Before enjoying your homemade oat drink, give it a good shake, as some natural separation can occur. It's perfect for adding to your morning coffee, blending into smoothies, or pouring over your favorite cereal. This simple recipe yields a delicious, creamy alternative to dairy milk. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to help you stay hydrated and healthy.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.